Hello, I'm Jo McDiarmid. Police are investigating the discovery of what appears to be human remains in the Lockyer Valley west of Brisbane. The Queensland floods have claimed more than 30 lives. 20 have died in the southeast. Police say that figure could increase by one more if remains found at Murphy's Creek last night are confirmed to be human. Officers were contacted by a local resident who made the discovery, but no other details are being released. Emergency services are advising more communities in Victoria's northwest to start evacuating ahead of a large moving inland sea. The SES has issued an emergency alert for Milnes Bridge, Mead, Benjaroop and Red Hill. Meanwhile, the Murray River is expected to begin rising at Swan Hill today, but it won't peak until later in the week. Perth police have charged a 27-year-old man over the death of a teenager who is the cousin of Collingwood football player Leon Davis. 17-year-old Rowan Davis died after suffering a chest wound during a fight in Hall's Head. And Australian Bernard Tomic has put up a strong fight against Rafael Nadal at the Australian Open, but Nadal was too good, winning the match 6-2, 7-5, 6-3. And those are the latest headlines from ABC News.